Hi, I'm Shannon, the Garden Girl from Georgina Garden Center. We have quite a few different options here for outdoor arrangements for Christmas and into the winter. This one here is a window box, and we just have the greens. We have the pine and the cedar. You can keep it like this if you want something simple. You can add more greens, you can add accents, or you can come into the store and we can add whatever you want so it's customized. You can pre-order, we'll have everything ready for you. So that's one option. Your other option for if you want to do planters or just set something in an urn, we have, this one's a basic one. It fits into your standard urn. Again, just your cedar, pine for those who want to be creative and do your own, or we can do it for you in store as you wait. For something a little bit more substantial, this again is in the same size pot. It will fit into your standard urn, all decorated up. Again, we can change your color scheme. And then we have this really big one here, which makes quite a statement.